Good morning and welcome to the vlog. So sorry if ang pangit ng resolution kasi it's still dark. It's still 5 AM. Roughly 5:30. Mga 5:30 pa lang guys. And we woke up today mga 4 AM kasi I have an early makeup appointment. Yun nga, yung sabi ko kagabi. Yun that I have. And then although 7 AM pa talaga mag-start, but I need to be there by 6:30 to set up all the things that I need. Ayan, so yeah, sana walang traffic kasi dito kami duman kasi dito kami man. We borrowed car from his sister kasi hindi makalabas mamaya yung sasakyan namin kasi under construction naman yung daan. Ayan.
Yung road.
So I will be meeting Saika later. Magkikita kami sa lobby. Yan. Chill muna. Hindi pa tayo hyper kasi maaga pa guys. And I will be trying to slip some footage sa mga before and after makeup, but I don't know yet. Maybe I'll just take picture lang or yeah. Hindi pa natin alam kasi mag-a-ask pa tayo ng permission kung pwede pa, diba? So yun. And I'm just gonna stop talking na kasi nail cutter muna ako ng kuko guys kasi nag-chip yung kuko ko. So I'm gonna see you later. Bye! We're here at the hotel and we're going to do a lobby elevator party. There's us. Wala B1. Ay, dali asad eh. So we are here at the hotel guys and I'm just waiting for Saika. I cannot text her. I wanted to connect to the Wi-Fi but I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. Ang tagal. Yeah. Pero medyo maaga pa naman. It's still 6:15. So, yung usapan namin is 6:30. So, it's still early. There's my other partner in crime. Wala eh. Mana eh. So, it's my first time here sa Mandarin Hotel. Yeah. Pwede ko unsa man kanang generic lang no? It's not their interior is not that bomby. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Saika and yeah, if kung darating niya si Saika then we will be going upstairs na. Chill muna. Parang may breakfast doon.
Free tayo.
Huh?
Free tayo.
Every time na I'm in a hotel, I feel like we are, yung time na uuwi kami ng Pilipinas, yun yung feeling ko lagi. Diba? I don't have lipstick on, pero ayan, may foundation pa dito sa lips ko. I look so weird and sleepy. Hey friends! Grabe, gulong-gulong buhay na ko. We just got home from makeup appointment. No! Makeup appointment. Tapos yun nga, kasama ko si Saika but we did not have the chance to take picture man lang or to take a video kasi ayaw din ng mga mini-makeup pa namin na to take video or post it online. So, hindi na din. And we got busy na din kaya we didn't have the chance to to video what happened. So, mga na-finish, natapos kami doon, mga, I think, mga 2:30. Dapat sana 1 PM, but may napahabol na isa na, nagpapa-makeup. So, yun, mga 2:30 na kami natapos. And guess what, guys? Yung one na person, yung isang person pala na make-up pa namin is sister ni FPJ, Fernando po Jr. Yeah. Grabe. Supposedly daw sana yung mag-aabay, sponsor sa kasal si Grace po. But since hindi siya makakarating, so yung proxy na lang yung tita na, which is yung kapatid ni ni FPJ, yung nag-proxy sa kanya. So si Grace po sana yung may make-upan ko, guys. Oh my God. I was shocked because hindi ko talaga alam. At first, hindi ko alam kung sino yung may make-upan. Because the bride did not say anything. Yun. We got there, maaga. And then, I was tired. I'm sleepy, but I'm not sleepy. I wanted to take a shower kasi, ang kati-kati dito sa ko, guys, oh. Yung concealer ko nag-crease na. Yan. Although I did not apply that much, pero maybe sa powder or sa bising-busy na talaga. Yun. So, of course, the dogs were so excited to see us, me and Rookie, and now they're playing with each other. I don't know if they are really excited to see me or Miguel is just excited for me to let him go out to play with Maui. Yun. So, maybe I'll just chill na muna, no? Because I'm planning to do some editing para sa Monday na upload ko. But, I guess mag-chill na lang muna ako. Kasi, yun nga, I was up so early. But, I do not feel tired. I just wanna eat. Grabe. Ang daming pagkain doon. But, we didn't have the chance to eat. Kasi nga, busy. Sunod-sunod na yung mini-makeup pa namin. Yan. And of course, with my ever partner, Saika. Thank you so much, sis, always. Pero sayang na wala tayong footage together. Yun nga lang. Yeah, so, yun nga lang. Yun yung update, guys. Na for the ilang hours? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Basta, I don't know. Ilang hours ako nawala. So, yun. I'm just gonna see you later and kakain ako ulit kasi konti lang yung nakain ko doon kasi nga yun, nagmamadali na kami. So I'm gonna see you later. Bye. Hey friends, so I already took a shower. Yeah, it's already 5. Yeah, it's a habit, guys. Whenever I get home, I always take a shower para kasi pag hindi, I feel tired and I wanted to feel refreshed. Kaya whenever whenever may lakad ako or anything, when I get home, I always take a shower. And hindi ako makakatulog. I wanted to sleep after. Kaya, if I don't take a shower, then I would feel restless and hindi ako makakatulog. So, yan. And, me and Baba is eating also kasi may food pa na natira kanina. Nakain namin ni Baba. Yung tira, ito yung lunch ko, pero tingnan nyo naman, ang laki. Diba? So, hindi ko inubos. Yan. Tapos, may yung breakfast din, hindi dahil namin nakain kasi we were so busy, 2 ganyan. Ayan, tapos coffee. Tapos, yan yung rice ko. Kasi, hindi ako nakapag-rice. Isang cup ng rice lang yun dito kanina. And yan, kakain tayo. And after nito, I think I'm gonna sleep. Yan, kain tayo ba? Ba't ka gulo?